Hello traders worldwide, welcome back. This is MJ Crypto, and right here on my screen is Bitunix exchange. Amazing platform, guys. Now, do you know one of the major key factor why I consider this exchange one of the best is the fact that you do not need to have a stressful KYC process other than you just funding your wallet and trading. Trading is seamless on this particular exchange. Now all you have to do is just use the link in the description of this video, sign up, and then fund your wallet. It's that simple. KYC is very easy. You don't need many documentations. Just fund your wallet. It's secure, safe, and reliable, and you can start trading on spots and futures. Now I'm going to walk you through the entire process on how this exchange basically works. Now right here you can see that we have the home, we have the market, right? We have the home, we have the market, we have futures, we have sports, and of course we have assets. All right, I'm just going to do that again. We have home, market, futures, sports, and then we have asset. Now all of these segments have their own functions. Now if you go to markets, basically you're just going to see favorites, futures, and sports. Now if you come down again to futures, this is where you can start trading all your futures pairs, and we have a lot of pairs that you can actually trade from. All right, we have a lot with the lowest fees out there in the market. All right, trust me guys, we have a lot. Can you see? A lot, over 400 coins right here that you can actually trade. Isn't that interesting? Sure it is, right? Now over here on sports, you can come here and buy any of your assets on limit or on market price. Okay, you can use any of these orders to purchase on spot, and on spot definitely we have a lot of coins. Can you see? Can you see this? We have a lot of coins listed here. Now the juicy part that I keep on hitting on is the fact that KYC is very easy. Are you getting me now? KYC is what? Super easy. You see? Identity verification not verified, but yet I can fund my wallet and still trade. Are you getting it now? I've not verified this account yet, but I can still trade. I can still deposit, I can still withdraw. All right, maybe after this video I'll just possibly do my verification and all that, but you don't need verification to actually withdraw and deposit. Just come here and trade. It's very seamless, guys. Honestly, I'm not going to lie at all. It's a very seamless process. All right, this is Bitunix, and most definitely you can come here and also see the new listings. Okay, you can see new listings. You can see all the new listings that's going to be what's taking place. You see Bitunix to launch XVG, USDT, and AXL. Get listed on Bitunix. This was on the 23rd, 5 days ago. So basically, there are a lot of ways to actually look at. You want to buy crypto, you can come here, put your card. Now by the way, I have a card that works. It's a virtual crypto card. Okay, it's called 3verse. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video so you can register to get the crypto card that you can use to make deposits and make withdrawals. So once you fund your virtual crypto card, you can come here and then buy USDT. Let's say we want to buy 55. I'm just going to click on buy USDT, and they tell me to put in my card. Now under here I'll just click next, Okay, it says your KYC level does not have the right to use this function, blah blah blah. So you can upgrade, but definitely you can send USDT here, which I did. You can send USDT here. You can also withdraw from USDT. It's very simple. All right, guys, so basically that's just it. And if we click on assets, we can come here. We can see how deposits, withdraw, transfer, and buy options are all here. Fantastic platform, guys. Check the link in the description of this video so you can sign up to this Bitunix exchange. Amazing, amazing, amazing platform. One love, guys. Peace out.